Hey, so we're going to be installing this license plate light over here, doing the wiring, and also I don't like this gold color. My bike is black and gold, but this gold is a little bit different, and I don't like the way it looks here. So I'm actually going to spray paint this black too before we install it. So far so good. Just going to let it hang there and let it dry and work on the rest of the bike. Oh shit. Great. The bolt just fell into the seat, and I hope it didn't fall far. Fuck me. Honestly, like, I feel like I can never do any kind of work on my bike without something going wrong. Easy peasy. Just like that. Got it back. But I think there was another one in there. Looks like I found the original one down in the seat. Previous owner lost it in there. I guess they didn't want to invest in one of these. This is like a magnetic little fisher. So let's carry on. Now we need to remove the rear seat. The lock mechanism for the rear seat is broken. But there's a solution to getting this rear seat off, because right here, after you remove the main seat, you can just pull on this cable pretty relatively hard until you can unlatch the seat here. So this cable here is just running along here. I'm going to pull on it. Don't embarrass me. And it's unlatched, and you can get access to it. Now we're going to remove the fairing. So how we're going to be powering the license plate light is off the brake light. So whenever I turn on the bike, the brake light's on, and also the license plate will also be on because it's on the same power. Okay, so the light's pretty much finished drying now. This looks way better. So I zip tied the license plate light to the license plate holder so I can get an accurate measurement of how long this wire is, so I can see whether or not it's gonna actually work with the existing wiring, which is here. I might just have enough, or I might just be too short. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But I need to see better by taking off the fairing. So you see that wire there? That's license plate light. And here's the wiring I'm trying to get to. It kind of reaches. I don't know. We'll see. But it did help a lot that I pulled this fairing out. And now I can start to figure out how to connect these wires. So basically reaches just up to here. Cut back this piece. I mean, this is probably the signal and brake. Then we got the power and ground. I want to say red is power and black is ground. I really want to say that. I could probably just bet on it. Let's try to tee off far down here. So what this does is just cuts into the wire. And then I get one of these guys, plug it in to this T-tap, and then put the wires inside here and crimp it. Okay, let's give that a go. Tail lights are on. I'm gonna take the wires, stick them inside here. Not very much play at all. Black to black, red to red. And we'll see if we have light. No light going on down here. So those little T connectors. Didn't cut through the wire all the way because of the thickness of this. So I'm gonna take the smaller one. That's about this small, and try connecting it here. Red to red, black to black. Plate light is not on. Let's try to reverse the polarity and see if that's the issue. Wait, did I not have them in the right place? Still no light. Let's have red to black and black to red. See if that works. No light still. Let's try black to black and red to red again. Red to red, black to black. Oh! Here we go. The light kind of sucks though. Let me show you when I start touching the wires how that light is reacting. There we go. See, that's how it's supposed to be. So we got the wiring set up correctly. And awesome. So I'm going to start crimping them down and making sure the connections are nice and secure and wrapping them up. I fucked up. I thought it was just a bad connection, but I actually tied in the tail light into the brake light. So watch me put the brake application. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. All right, time to remove the wire. And I think it's the white wire, not the red wire. On the bright side, I can just take this wire and tap into this. Then we're going to put this one, the red power wire, to the white wire. Oh yeah. So sometimes it's just playing around with the wiring. Now you see how bright that license plate light is. That definitely will illuminate. Yeah, great. So now we got it all wired up, and we just gotta tidy everything up. And yeah. Drop the fairing back in. Okay, and that's it. I'm just gonna put everything back together, but that's how I wired the license plate light right off the tail light power supply.